This is an era of rapid development of science and technology. This is an era of rapid turnover of production technology. This is an area of intense global competition. The age is vibrant because of professionalism. Ruixian Touch Display Technology Co., Limited, comes from Shenzhen, China, which is funded in 2005. It is a professional design, production and sales of LCD module for high-tech enterprises. Because professional, it is excellent. We have 2 production lines, more than 200 experienced workers, which is equipped with advanced automated production equipment. In 2014, Ruixian successfully passed the ISO Quality Management System certification. Roseanne reached certification and testing. It is strictly in accordance with ISO 9012-015 Quality Management System and standardizes production processing. We have a professional design, producer TFT display, capacitive touch screen, resistive touch screen. Because of innovation, it updates. We focus on display technologies R&D for 15 years to keep improve the process continuously. Our display and touch solutions, using self-developed production technology, which have achieved better than similar products contrast, with faster response speed, lower power consumption, higher brightness, higher resolution and wider operation temperature. Our products are widely used in medical devices, industrial automation, artificial intelligence products, educational toys, HMI devices, instrumentation and other fields of display terminals. We always believe that quality is the best salesman. Because of the high quality, it can be successful. With strong technical R&D strength, excellent and stable product quality, professional and thoughtful service. We won Motorola, Wistron, Kobe, Schneider, TCL and other internationally renowned customers, and established a long-term cooperative relationship. Based on high-end touch LCD screen market, we created a global brand. We prospect in the era of globalization, in advance with the times, breakthrough and innovation, using high-quality LCD display products to serve the global high-end electronic product customers. Let Ruixian's display and touch products share with the world and acquire the win-win situation with customers. Ruixian is your professional touch LCD display manufacturer. Thanks for watching.